Hello guys, this is Lion. Today we are going to learn on how we are filing returns using the P9. Now once on the KRA ITAX portal, you are required to put your PIN, the KRA PIN. You click on continue, then on the password, you input your password that you're using. But remember, if you don't remember the password, you can always click on forgot password down here and they will send a new password to your email, the registered email. So let me complete the security check. This will be 71. I log in. From here, because I'm doing a P9 return, I'm going to click on returns menu, then file return. It's going to open so that I can declare that I'm a resident individual, which will allow me to come and download this Excel file, this one, the Excel file, because I use Microsoft Office. So I click on download. It's going to download the Excel file. Once completed, we are going to get a notification now that it's completed. So we are going to open the folder where it has been downloaded to, and it will require us to unzip because it comes in a zipped format. So I'm going to extract to a folder. I will open up the folder and I have here my Excel file, whereby I'm going to open it up. Yeah, here we are. I will enable the editing because this is the first time I'm opening this file. I will enable editing, and there are some instructions we are given here whereby we are going to deal with macros. So macros are automatically disabled, so you have to enable the macros so that you can insert the data without any restriction. So I will enable the macros. Yeah, and a warning always comes up that do not copy paste. Don't cut and paste to this file. You are supposed to type into the cells. Yeah, so we are going to fill the details of the taxpayer here, which are required using this red star. Using the red star, wherever there's a red star, you have to fill there. So I will pull up my P9 form, which are downloaded, and it's here with me. So let me open it up. Okay, so here is the P9 for this taxpayer. I'm going to extract the details from here that I'll be using them to fill our Excel file. So I'll start with the Excel file. Requires us to find the identification number. The personal identification number of this client is employee's PIN, which is here A00-303-8352. That should be A00-303-8352, then Q. Type of return, it should be original because this is the first time you are, it's not amended, but it's original. So in case there will be any changes here, you come and change to amend in case you forgot something. So for this time, let me use original because I'm not amending anything. Duration return from should be the first day of the year, that is 0101. Then the previous year was 2021. Up to 31st, the last date of the year, which is 12/2021. Do you have any other income? By default, they are set to no, but if there is any other income apart from employment, this is where you come and say yes. So when you say yes, there are some other tabs down here that are going to come up. If I click yes, you see there is a tab of profit loss, balance sheet, stock, and so forth. But for this one, he has no another income, so it will be no. It will be a no like that. So Once done that, we navigate down here, we say next. It's going to bring us where we are supposed to input the PIN of the employer, which we will get it from the P9. The PIN of employer, in this case, it's P0510 91585 91585A. So that's P0510 91585A. Confirm it 585. Yes, P0510 91585A. 585A. What's the name of the employer? The employer is called Pelican Haulage Contractors Limited. Pelican Haulage Contractors Limited. Okay, gross pay. Gross pay as per the P9 is what we have, the total value at the total gross pay here. This one, gross pay, what's the total down here? It is 563,856. 563,856. 563,856. Is that correct? Let us confirm. 563,856. That's correct. Does this employer have allowances? No, it doesn't. House allowance, I'll put 0. Pension in excess of 300,000. So if you come and check if he has pension, retirement contribution, it is 240,000. So he has not surpassed that limit of 300,000. So we are going to say 0. Alright, then from there we go down here and say next, or you can tap on the tabs here. So let's say next here. Then we come around this the paye page, whereby you are supposed to select the PIN of the employer, which is in the drop down, and the name was Pelican Haulage Contractors Limited. Taxable salary. Taxable salary from the P9 is what we call the chargeable pay. Chargeable pay. Taxable is what we call the chargeable pay here. This one, the chargeable pay. What do we have down here? It is 561,456. 561,456. Confirm again. 561,456. 561,456. Taxable payable on taxable salary is just a sum. You can take a sum of paye plus relief if it's not given on the P9, but if it's given, it's called what we call tax charged. Yeah, I said on the P9 is what we call tax charged. So let's check on the P9 if there's something called tax charged. It's here, tax charged, which is 105,837. 105,837. Amount of tax deducted is the paye. Now the paye, the last column L, there is paye. How much tax was deducted? This is 77,037. We come and write 77,037. Then you see amount of tax payable or refundable becomes 28,800, which in this case is the relief. Let's check the relief of this taxpayer. The relief column down here is 28,800. So we are doing the correct thing. Then we are not interested with the payment credits because we don't have them on the P9. So we got the last tab, which is tax computation. Yeah, on this last page of tax computation, we are going to declare the pension contribution and the relief of this taxpayer. We can get this from the P9, the pension contribution. We open up the P9 where we have E2. E2, the total is 2400, or you can get from G, which is the retirement, plus home, which is 2400. So we come and fill under defined pension contribution as 2400. Personal relief, we had already seen that it was 28,800. So if we scroll down, we should get zero. Tax due, it is zero. Now this indicates that we have done it correctly. It should be 0 or up to 0.8 or 0.5, something like that. You should not get large figures like 20,000 or 50,000. That shows that you did something wrong. Or negative 20 or negative 30,000. That's indicates that you did something wrong somewhere. So you should go back and see where you messed up. So from here we are going to validate. We validate this process, whereby this Excel would generate a file for us that we are going to upload to the KRA portal. So let's wait as it validates. Yeah, so it has finished and it's asking us that the sheets are ready. So do you want to generate a upload file? You say yes, and it has generated to documents, then the date, month, and the year, the time also, and the pin for that client. So we are going to navigate this folder and see that file. So from here we come and open our ITAX portal. There it is under the returns. We come and browse. We want to pick that file that has been generated. So it is under documents. Then today's date is 1st of June. Amount to agree and amount submit. Do you want to upload? We say okay. Yeah, there we go. The returns have been filed successfully. So you can go ahead and download the receipt and brace with it. You can give the client this receipt, and also a copy of it will be sent to the email address. So that's all for today. We meet in our next video.